Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, we are fixing the annoying RunDLL error. This error pops up when you start your computer or try to open certain programs on Windows 11. It usually says something like there was a problem starting a file name, the specified module could not be found. Let's fix that right now. First, let's use Task Scheduler to see if there's a leftover task trying to run a missing file. Click on Start and type Task Scheduler, then open it. On the left panel, click on Task Scheduler Library and carefully scroll through the list of tasks. Look for any task that refers to a file path that no longer exists or looks suspicious. If you find one, right-click on it and choose Delete. That often clears up the error immediately, but we are not done yet. Next, open the registry editor by pressing Windows plus R, type regedit, and hit Enter. Navigate to this location, HKE_allocal_machine software, Microsoft Windows current version run. Here, check for any values pointing to a file that doesn't exist. If you spot something broken, right-click it and delete it. Just make sure you know what you're removing. To be extra safe, run a full scan using Windows Security. Open Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, and run a full scan. This helps ensure there's no malware causing the RunDLL issue. Alright, restart your PC and the error should be gone. If it helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Windows fixes. Thank you and see you next time.